Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your avatar in Roblox totally black. And the first thing you need to do is head over to head and body and to skin tone, click on advanced and click on the black color. As you can see, your character is all black now, but except for the clothing, of course. You want to turn the character all black, not just the skin. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna head over to the marketplace and find us some black clothing that's gonna fit well and will actually make us look really black. But we're really poor, so we're just gonna head over and find the very cheap ones. So I'm just gonna search for black and find something that might go well. And like this one here, the knit sweater. It's free too. That's very amazing. Okay, so we're just gonna get all these. We're just gonna get all the clothing that we can find in the marketplace that we can use on our avatar, and then next is we're just gonna make our avatar wear all those black clothing, like with sweatsuit, plants is all black. It's very nice. And then now is the sweater. Just click on the knit sweater, and what you should have at the end is a fully black avatar in Roblox. And that is how you get a fully black avatar in Roblox. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.